Hey guys, this is TNT Minecrafter, and we're back on Animal Jam. I know last time I did a video on this, you guys enjoyed it, so I'm gonna play a little more of it today. So I haven't played this game in a really long time. Summer Carnival. Okay. Choose a pet. Ooh. Okay. Hamster, I guess. Oh, that's cute. Yeah. Looks like a one. Let's choose that. And then I'll do that. So there it is. And let's choose a name for this guy. Zippy Pop. Jumping up. That's okay. I got my first pet. Oh, he's so cute. So he's gonna follow us around. It looks like. So let's play some games. I don't have any buddies. Blah blah blah. All right. I haven't played this game in a while. Let's play this game. It's called Twister. What the? What the? I'm not joking. I have no idea what to do. Oh, I just have to go from stuff. Let's go there for this. Oh no! Oh no! I missed it! Almost there! Oh. Oh yes! This is intense! Oh, so close! I've earned 8 gems. I think that's good. If you watched the last video, you know how much I love this game. First time? Dang it. Right there. Then when it says almost, and I didn't get anything. Dang it. This is horrible luck. Maybe in the same place. Probably not. Yeah. Maybe if I go all the way to the end over here. I like how it has that texture where it says like 5 gems, like when you do on a normal claw machine. Dang it. Maybe right here could work. Dang it. Yay! Ooh. Yes! So I'm using my key, it actually works good. And then spacebar. Oh, I've had bad luck with it though. Look at, okay. Watch this and watch it flicker. Random place. dang it. Maybe this, it won't. Yeah, okay, let's play some other stuff. Ooh. I wonder what this is. Never hamster? Nah, I just got one. No mail. I don't have any buddies. If you guys play this game, tell me your name on this game, and I will friend you. Or buddy you, however they call it. Ooh. Wonder what that is. Probably numbers only too. Or not. Flappy Bird. Oh my gosh! This is hard. Man. Okay, it's just me. I'm horrible at this. Okay, let's see if there's anything else. I like that guy. Ooh. Next. It's a glitch. I'm not sure I won't get it, but let's try. Speedy beat. Dang it. I'm sorry, I have a bad day. I'm just checking out my name. I'm sorry if I'm taking forever to do stuff. It's small. Sorry, I think I already have it. I want that so bad. Look at that. I gotta go do something, and I will be right back. Hey guys, I'm back, and this just popped up. Pet ponies can be found in a diamond shop for only 3 diamonds. Adopt your own adorable pet pony today. Pony! Ah, dang it. I want the pony. Welcome to your journey book. Find and collect all the facts for each page to earn a special gift. Boom! It's actually like an educational game. Ooh, it says get I remember playing this. Okay, so as you can see, there's a there's a bar. got 13, about to be 16. Okay. No! I got 23 gems. No, I don't want this. Thanks for watching. Yes, I'd like to do this. Let's go back to my den. I haven't been here in so long. Look at that. Exactly how I left it. Here's my cute little Reno. Cute little thing. Cute little thing. And there's my hamster. Oh my gosh. I gotta see that again. Look at that. She just pops out of nowhere. So weird. So cute. So guys, Donald Trump is going to be. Oh no. Never mind. Donald Trump is about to become president. Drop dead. I'm sorry about that. It's just hard, so whoa, I'm getting sucked in. Must be a landing to go on this adventure. I'm fine with that. Awesome Goofy Wolf. Well guys, thank you guys for watching. I had fun recording this video today. And make sure to show that like button who's boss. Okay, that's oh, you buy diamonds with gems. Okay, make sure to show that like button who's boss by crushing it. How about we hit 3 likes? So yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye. I can't speak.